Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Combine 500 grams bread flour, 10 grams instant yeast, 30 grams sugar, and 10 grams salt in a mixing bowl. Add 250 milliliters warm water with 2 tablespoons honey and mix until a soft, slightly sticky dough forms. Incorporate 1 tablespoon melted butter and 1 beaten egg if you want slight richness, but traditional Montreal bagels omit fat. Knead 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, then proof for 45 to 60 minutes at 25 degrees C until doubled. Divide and rest the dough briefly before shaping by hand. Shape dough into 12 equal pieces and roll each to a 3/5-inch rope before joining ends to form a ring, pinch seams to seal. Let rings relax 10 minutes, then bring a wide pot of water to a simmer and add 2 tablespoons honey and 1 tablespoon barley malt. Boil bagels 60 seconds per side to develop a chewy, glazed crust. Remove to a tray, brush with egg wash. Then press sesame or poppy seeds firmly onto each ring before transferring to the oven. Preheat oven to 230 degrees C, 450 degrees F, and position a stone or heavy tray on the middle rack. Bake bagels for 12 to 15 minutes until deep golden and slightly blistered. Rotate the tray once for even color if needed and watch the bottom crust for a mahogany tone specific to Montreal style. Cool on a rack for 20 minutes to finish the crumb set, then slice across with a serrated knife and serve warm. Freeze cooled bagels in a sealed bag up to 3 months and reheat 5 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees C when ready to eat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.